Hi everyone. We found this 4-year-old packet of cilantro and we are curious to see if these would germinate. So let us sow them and see what happens. The date on this packet reads as for sale for year 2018. I'm going to throw all of these seeds into this narrow garden bed. We were growing bush beans here in summer. Cilantro is very cold hardy, so if these seeds germinate, we will cover them during winter to have nice harvest in early spring. Now I'm going to water it and I will keep watering next few days to help germination. Alright, so here we are 18 days later and look at this. I'm really surprised that so many have germinated. I noticed a few here and there a couple days ago and assumed that just a few made it, but clearly looks like the whole seed packet germinated, which is pretty awesome. If we have free space in our garden, we definitely would grow cilantro or some other herb there, but cilantro bolts easily in summer. So we also grow this cilantro substitute, which is a perennial and produces during summer as well. Do check it out in this video.